All right, this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money one time and recurring payment into your Fidelity Roth IRA account. So first of all, we had to log in and make sure we are on the main page. On the main page, we're going to go into where it says transfer. Let's click there. We're going to click where it says EFT to or from a bank. That means electronic funds transfers. So we're going to click here, and then we're going to select the account where we're going to get the money from, which is our bank account. So we're going to select here. And then we're going to select the account to transfer to. In this case, I only have one Roth IRA, so I'm going to select that. And then right here, we're going to indicate how much we want to deposit. In my case, I'm going to deposit $500 because I want to speed it out. So far, I had $600 for the year. I'm over 50 years old, so my contribution limit is $8,600 a year. So I'm pretty much behind. So I'm going to have to speed it up a little bit. And I'm going to deposit $500 for now. And I'm going to click continue. And now I had to review the transfer before submitting to make sure it is properly done. And I think it's fine. So we're going to click where it says submit. And it's done. Right here, it doesn't tell you exactly when the money was going to be, but it says to hold period for up to 70 business days will limit your ability to withdraw money, blah, blah. All right, let's go back to the main account. Right here today, see your estimate transfer time. Doesn't say anything, but we go back to the Fidelity account. And as you can see, it already shows $3,595.89. In other words, the $500 already has been added to my account. Okay, now let's set up recurring payments so that way our money can increase faster. So let's go back again. Electronic funds transfer to or from a bank. So let's click here. We're gonna select my bank account. Select account to transfer to the Roth IRA. Okay, so now what we can do is either select here, recurring payments, and then we're gonna select how frequent we want to be deposit the money into the Fidelity account. So I'm gonna do monthly account, and I'm gonna set it up for every single month on the 12th for $150. I used to have $100, but this time I'm gonna do $150. And that means $150 will be deducted in 2 days from my bank account. I'm gonna click submit, and then we are good to go. So right here, the transfer schedule date. The first scheduled transfer will be June 12th, and then transfer repeats monthly on the 12th. So from now on all the way to December, honestly, until you stop it, it's gonna be deducting $150 from my bank account. So, but we can go over here where it says manage a scheduled transfer. We're gonna click here to see the scheduled transfer that we have. If you want to make any edits to us, all you gotta do is click on this arrow and then select edit. You can change the amount, you can change the date. Since I already deduct $150, I don't want for now to be the 12th because I just deposit also $500. And then that means I made the change to the 10th of every single month. And as you can tell, it says right here, I have a limit $7,500 still. So I'm okay. So let's say save. And now my scheduled payments are going to be on July 10th, the next month, for $150. And then we are good to go. So we're going to go back to the Fidelity. And this is how you deposit money, and also how do you schedule recurring payments into your Fidelity account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. And I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.